What's up, guys? If you have PDF related work, you edit PDF, you sign PDF, you convert PDF, there are a lot of stuff if you do with PDF. Today, I'll tell you the free way to do all things at one place. So it will be very much organized and your job will be very easy as far as editing PDF and a lot of other PDF work if you have. So for that, you just need to open any of your favorite browser. At the very top, you just need to type lightpdf.com. Now, with the help of this light PDF, you can download and you can also use the online version of light PDF. From here, you can convert from PDF to Word, you can sign PDF, you can edit PDF, OCR, speech to text, PDF to JPG, and Word to PDF, merge PDF, unlock PDF, watermark PDF. There's so many things which you can do, and this is really brilliant. Light PDF has already processed millions of files. This is really let's say if you want to convert PDF to Word, then you just need to click on that, and from here you can upload your PDF and it will convert that PDF to Word. So this is just one thing which you can do, and there are a lot of other things which you can do absolutely free, though it has a premium version. But as far as the free version is concerned, there's so many things which you can do in free edition. If you visit this website through Chrome, it will ask you to install it, like you can download PDF editor, you can download PDF converter. Please let me know how useful this website is. How's the experience? I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.